We got a problem. What's the problem, man? Your girlfriend is crazy. She came here last night. What mean she came here last night? I left last night. What? Huh? What are you talking about? And brought in scary monsters. FNAF monsters. What? But, what? Oh, what's that? No. No. Oh my God. Jeff. It's trying to hit me. What kind of health do you have? Oh my God, you're not going down. You're not going down. Jeff, help. Okay, I'm running away. Oh, so many of them. Why is there spiders? Ah! Stay away from me. Ow. I leave outside. Okay, hold on, Jeff. I can't really do anything without being chased by 20 animatronics. Thank you so much for the help, Jeff. Where are they coming from? I can't stop them. The daycare's overrun. Oh, no. This is not good. I guess we're good. Awesome. Okay, buddy. Well, we solved the issue of the FNAF monsters taking over the daycare, and that was terrifying. Welcome to the daycare! Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. How is everybody doing today? All right, so let's head on over to the daycare and see what Jeff the Moose is up to, man. So recently, he's been like messing around a little bit too much with me. I'm not sure what he's trying to do, but I feel like he's trying to pull a prank on me, or he's really heated. So let's see what's going on, man. Hello, Jeff? Where you at? I know you're trying to do something. You can't mess with me in Moose Mods. Jeff, tell me what's wrong, bro. Hi, Jeff. What are you doing? Hi. You good, man? You like, why are you still wearing your suit? Slide. Why are you still wearing your suit? What is wrong with you, man? Are you like in love with like your suit? Oh, okay, never mind. Put the suit back on. Yeah, go just put the suit back on. Oh my God, that thing was terrifying. So Jeff, where's everybody else at, man? Like, where's Moosina? Well, actually, you know what? I don't want to see Moosina because she's still pretty crazy. Honestly, what? No idea. How do you not know? You're supposed to be the teacher, dude. Everyone disappeared. How did everybody disappear? Where's Jafina? That's your girlfriend. Moosina's just crazy, okay? How about Cyclone and then his girlfriend, all right? Or Carly, I think. And then, what about Brick Boss? Jafina has gone crazy like always. Dude, I feel like you're causing the problems, man. You got your moments where you just really get people mad, I feel like, you know? And she's gone. I froze her. You see what I mean? You like to push the buttons, dog. You push your buttons. What? You can't freeze a girl. It's gonna cause issues, man. This dude over here. Look at this dude. Oh, derpy looking eyes. Oh. Cyclops being Cyclops and just quitting on school. Thinks he don't need it. That sounds like a Cyclone thing to do. Definitely a Cyclone thing to do. Okay. And then what, Brick Boss? Brick Boss. Brick Boss. I have some milk. Carly following him. I feel like it's more of like he's following Carly because like Carly's the more dominant one. Brick Boss got stuck in the door in his yacht. How do you do that? How do you get stuck in the door in the yacht? Did you even help him out? If you know about that, you should have. No. Why would you not help him out? You're supposed to help your friends out, dude. What's wrong with you? He called me. Why didn't you help him out? He's your friend. Told me to deliver him food. Not for help. Hey guys, Jeff here, the type of dude to give somebody food. But when it involves helping them out, he's not gonna do it. This guy, look at this dude, man. So you just left him there at the door, he just stuck there? Like he can't do anything at all? I mean, did he even ask you for help? He has to stay. Do what you do. If he has to stay, what'd you do? Huh? I mean, clearly you're here. Oh, look at I left you there. Wow. Hashtag Jeff, the friend of the year. I took the jet ski home. Oh, that's pretty cool. The jet skis are pretty awesome. Well, okay. Well, anyway, dude, what do we do today, man? What are we doing, bro? Yo, like recently, it's been pretty crazy, man. FNAF animatronics, Jafina going crazy, Moosina trying to kill me because I broke up with her and stuff. I didn't really even date her and stuff. You get the point. It's been a really crazy experience, man. Since it's just us, we can have a chill day. Yay! And with some bricks, and with some clown, some more bricks, and some of this, and I want some of this piggy stuff, and some of smoke, unlimited smoke. Yeah, it's a pretty chill day if you ask me. And my idea was going camping. Jeff, why would we go camping when we could just stay in the daycare? Like, look at me. I'm balancing on moose smoke. I'm doing the plank. Hey, I'm planking on the moose smoke. Woo! Follow me. Whoa. Hold up. Jeff. Take it easy. What? Are you serious right now? Yeah. You want to go camping at nighttime? I got a tent and everything. Jeff, you know camping at nighttime is like super scary, right? Like I went camping once at a camp, and then people were telling ghost stories, and they got super scared. Then everyone went to sleep, and then I stayed up all night. And then I was hungry, and then I attempted to go to get some s'mores, but it was nighttime, so I found out what to do. So you're scared of everything, anyways. I am not scared of anything. I take risks. You don't. I went there. Smell that? That's the smell of salt. Nice. Typical. Oh. Okay, Mr. Sassy, whatever, man. I'll go camping, bro. Hey, you're the one that can't even watch horror movies. All right, you're the one that gets scared always, so it's you. Yeah, it's you. I'm just making sure that you're not going to get hurt from camping, because I know how you're going to be like, oh, jeepers. Oh, no. Yo, Moose, look over there. It's something spooky. I got to go. Wow. And then you run away. My choice. That's not even how you spell choice correctly. You got problems. All right, let's go, Jeff. Where we going camping at? Wait. Are we in a city? I didn't pass English. I feel like you didn't pass anything. So, you know what? Are you even a certified teacher or like a scientist? Follow. Okay. Wait. Where you going? Jeff? What? Hold on. Jeff, you're going to go camping across the street. How would you? Oh, food. Nice. What's this? Yeah. We do live in a city. How is this even camping? All you did was just walk from daycare over to another building. We even fought a gorilla once here. We outside, that's camping. Jeff, you're the type of dude that says that, you know what? Forget about it, man. Forget about it. Okay, let's go. Nice. And what's this over here? Whoa. Don't go her. You're the type of dude to not appreciate my planning. We walked like 2 feet. How is this considered camping? Why is this cobwebs? You shut this up? Trying to scare me? Trying to prank me, huh? Yeah. What was this? Yeah. Why is it? I'm working hard and sometimes hardly working. Sounds about right. Don't go here. Like, really? Did you write these? I feel like you wrote these, man. You can't spell sometimes, so please, man. Okay, you're too strong. What's this? You may pass, but beware. I don't. Why? Where are we going? Are we going up? I feel like that's a really bad idea. Up. She's gonna do it. Okay. All right. Where do these trees go from? Up, and away we go! Yay! Yeah, Jeff he causes problems on a daily basis. It's what it is. You know, it's what it is, guys. I'm stuck. Hi! I want some food. I want some moose milk with some breakfast and some steak. And a lot more moose milk. And also some tacos and some burgers. What's this? Wow, we're pretty high up. Hey, it's lit. Try to hit me. Chill, bro. Oh, and my bad. No, you can't just hit somebody off a building. It's dangerous, dude. What's over here? Huh. Ooh. What's wrong? Oh, nope. And I'm stuck again. Bro. What? Is that a third body? Jeff. Ah! Jeff. Why is it dead bodies? The sizes help us. This is what you consider camping? This wasn't me. This is camping. There's not even a fire. At least put the fire back or something. Get a flint and steel, light it up. I set a fire and left. Jeff, I don't know if you did anything at all. What's going on here? It's like random trees and stuff. Oh, food. And there's a dead body. It's not even a dead body. It's like a fake skeleton, looks like. Yep, that's a fake skeleton. Never mind. What? This is all new. Jeff, why you gotta be doing this? Wait, why you gotta be trying to prank on me? Oh, nice. Oh, what's over here? Oh, creepy hallway that something can totally go wrong. I don't prank. Jeff, you're going first. I'm good. I don't like creepy hallways. And there's a really, really long fall that pretty much kills you if you fall down. Okay, that sounds about right. Hey, can't do that. Can't abuse your powers. Got him. What a nub. Yay. What's over here? Oh. Oh, that leads to a different floor. Okay. Where you go? What a nub. legally blind, bro. Alright, let's go over here. Hello? What's this? You have to leave. Jeff, there's signs saying that you have to leave, so I don't know about this at all. It sounds pretty spooky, man, okay? It sounds very, very spooky. And I don't want any part of this, okay? What's over here? Hello? Hello? There's a skeleton thing here. It's like a skull. Don't complain. Jeff, we're in the middle of nowhere. You don't know who's here. Why? Who put these signs here? He's as strong as a brick. What? Ah! Oh my God, what is that? Oh no! No, I saw a ghost. I saw a spooky ghost, bro. You can have my cookies, but not my moose milk. Ah! And I fell. Yeah, I did not think that through at all. Jeff! What's up, buddy? You die? Of course I died. I jumped off a building by accident. Hi, Jeff. What's going on here? Huh. Typical. Jeff. He's strong. So strong. Jeff, where are we going, man? Dude, I just saw a spooky ghost over here. I don't want any part of this, man. Hello? Spooky ghost. Hello? We're doing our thing. Spooky ghost. Do you like moose milk? Huh? I don't like this. This is pretty sketchy. If you ask me, it's a pretty... Oh, a brick. Oh, very nice. Oh, a piece of brick. Very nice. Where am I going? I'm so confused right now. Jeff, I feel like this camping trip has gone 0 to 100 real quick. Oh, Jeff. Oh, Jeff. Jeff. Did you guys see it? Jeff, there was a ghost there. Did you guys see a ghost? R-U-N, run. You know what? I'm going to be the type of guy that doesn't listen. And I'm going to go over here. Yay! Mysteries and stuff. You don't see. What are you talking about? Jeff, are you kidding me? I saw a spooky ghost. You can't tell me I didn't see a spooky ghost when I saw a spooky ghost. There's like a top floor over here. It's pretty spooky, man. Hello? Anybody in here? Oh, there's lights here. Oh, very nice. I'm gonna live here. Awesome. Coming this summer. Now renting for $2 a day. Spooky apartment. Haunted. Ah! Spooky ghost! Oh, wait. Was that Thick Boss? Wait. Hold on. Wait a minute. Oh! Did you hear that? It was like a spooky sound. Jeff, is that Brick Boss as a ghost? Jeff! You escaped the yacht? What'd you do, Thick Boss? Jeff, he's really mad, man. He's haunting the whole place. You hear him? Oh, this thing's falling. Hello? Brick Boss? Are you up there? Very nice, very nice. Oh, it's echoing. I hear loud eating sounds. And I hear a lot of spooky noises. I hear heavy breathing. Ah, it's Brick Boss! Brick Boss! What happened, buddy? Why are you a spooky ghost and trying to kill us? Ah! Jeff, you did this to him. You look at him, he's floating around, he's disappearing and stuff. Why would you do this to him, man? No! Jeff, you trapped him on the yacht. Well, you gave him food, but you didn't help him out. Jeff, you see what happens when you get a ghost mad? I'm a spooky ghost up, and he's flying around. Okay, wow, this is pretty scary. It was not on purpose. I see him flying around right now. Jeff, this is a very bad idea right now. And there he is there. Wow, you actually look pretty cool. Oh, and he's gone. Oh, there goes Big Boss. Okay, well, I'm just gonna slowly drink some moose milk. Spirit ghost! No! Oh yeah! Oh, dang it, man. Jeff, I don't know about that place, man. It's pretty haunted. I don't want any part of that. Just saying, dude. It's pretty spooky, man. Let's go home. I'm good. You can't leave. Jeff, every time he talks, it's like a weird echo sound. It's pretty spooky, man. Okay, all right. I'll be on my way. Well, this camping trip went 0 to 100 real quick. I'll see you tomorrow with the brand new video. Ah! And I hear bird noises now. Okay, I see tomorrow. Oh, he's running after me, spooky ghost. You can have my keys. We're gonna have my moose box. I'll see you tomorrow in the video. Subscribe and sound the bell to save me from the ghost. Ooh.